На наших глазах из-за действий Израиля
Before our very eyes, Israel's actions are provoking an extremely dangerous escalation in the Middle East, one that demands the urgent attention of this council. In the early hours of June 13th, Israel launched a series of large-scale strikes on the territory of the Islamic Republic of Iran. Sleeping cities came under attack, along with civilian infrastructure and nuclear facilities that are under the safeguards of the International Atomic Energy Agency. Briefings today have confirmed civilian casualties. This unprovoked attack, no matter how Israel tries to justify it, is a flagrant violation of the UN Charter and the norms of international law. One gets the impression that the Israeli leadership believes it has a free hand in the region, acting as though it can trample over legal foundations and substitute itself for all international institutions, including the UN Security Council and the IAEA. The Russian Federation firmly condemns this act by West Jerusalem. Its military adventurism is pushing the region to the brink of a major war. The full responsibility for the consequences lies with the Israeli leadership and those who empower it. We are particularly concerned about the potential radiological consequences resulting from strikes on nuclear facilities. For years, our country has warned that any attempt to resolve issues surrounding Iran's nuclear program through the use of force is unacceptable and could lead to devastating consequences not only for the region, but for the entire world. Unfortunately, those warnings went unheeded, and now events are unfolding along the most dangerous and unpredictable path. While the world awaited with cautious hope the next round of indirect contacts between Iran and the United States, scheduled for June 15th, Israel chose to preempt them on its own terms by bombing Iran's nuclear energy infrastructure. This shows utter disregard for laws, norms, agreements, and all the principles that underpin civilized international relations. Responsibility for what has happened lies not only with Israel, but also with its closest allies. The Western participants in the Joint Plan of Action have done everything in recent years to stoke tensions, essentially inciting escalation. Their artificial creation of pressure on international platforms has only encouraged Israel to take radical steps and has fed its illusion of impunity. We reiterate, the issues surrounding Iran's nuclear program can and must be resolved exclusively through peaceful, political, and diplomatic means. No military solution can be considered legitimate or viable. The United States itself has repeatedly affirmed its readiness to continue negotiations on this basis. Russia remains committed to upholding international law, the UN Charter, and the pursuit of solutions that prevent the region from sliding into another devastating war. We are ready to work with all those who stand for diplomacy and the peaceful resolution of existing contradictions.